Hey, you little sleepyhead, sleeping beauty. Yep, not you. Yep, I'm talking to you. Okay, well, listen here. Are you bored? You looking for things to do during this summertime? Yeah, okay. Do you like to draw? You like to create? You like to do those kinds of things? Sure. Okay, well, how about this? You go grab yourself a pencil. Yep, go grab one of those or two, and grab a piece of paper as well. And there you go, you got your materials. Get started. Okay, we're gonna make these origami pencils. Look how cool those are. And I'm gonna go step by step and show you how to make these super duper awesome origami pencils. Yeah, well, let's get started. Here are the materials we will need: a piece of paper, scissors, and a pencil, and of course something to color with at the end. All right, here we go. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take that piece of paper, we're going to make it into a rectangle. So we are going to fold it in half long ways, so hot dog style. So I pinch the corners together because they're best friends, and then I'm going to fold it all the way down just like that so I can get a fold down the middle, and I'm going to cut that line with my scissors all the way across so I can get a rectangle piece of paper. So that is what I'm going to need to create these origami pencils, is a rectangle piece of paper. You can do it any size. What I'm going to show you now, if you want to make a mini origami pencil, I'll show you how to do that. So you're going to fold your paper in half like a card. All right, now I'm going to fold it one more time, and after I fold it, I'm going to open it up, and you should see 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles going up and down, and then I'm going to take my scissors and cut one of those rectangles off along the fold, and I won't need the rest. These are all extra pieces of paper, so you can make a bunch more origami pencils. So boom, that's how it will work. So that size gets you that size origami pencil, and that size will get you a smaller origami pencil. So what I'm going to do is the bigger one, just so you can see the steps, but the steps will be the same for a bigger or smaller. Okay, first things first, we're going to fold that piece of paper in half like a hot dog style. So we're going to fold in half. Remember, pinch those corners together because they're best friends, and then we're going to just fold it all the way down just like that. So then I'm going to open it up, and I should see a fold going all the way down. Now I'm going to take the top, and I'm going to fold it down just a little bit. So it's about the size from the top of my finger to my knuckle. Now, of course, this is going to be different for everybody because everyone's got different size hands, but that's about how big I made mine. So maybe about the length of like a quarter or so. All right, so now I'm going to flip it over to the back. Okay, make sure you flip it over. And now this is a little bit tricky, but you can do it. Super simple. All you got to do, see the fold down the middle? What we're going to do is fold that little corner at the top. We're going to fold it to the middle of the paper, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side so I can make kind of like a pointy top. Now we're going to start seeing like that pencil shape, right? So I just folded the corners into the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take that side corner and fold it into the middle. But I'm folding that whole side in to the middle fold, or middle of my paper here. So I'm going to do that on the both sides of my paper. Okay, remember, you can rewind or pause the video at any time if it's super duper confusing. Now I'm going to flip it over to the front, and you should see like the tip of your pencil, it's starting to form. How exciting. All right, here we're going to take the bottom of my paper and fold it up. Okay, now I'm going to leave some space. So again, I'm doing about the size from the top of my finger to my knuckle, about, but again, it'll be different for everybody. Now you're going to flip it over to the back again, and we are going to now fold the sides into the middle fold. So I'm going to fold the sides back into the middle of my pencil. So I'm going to do that on one side and do the same on the other side. Fold that whole side into my pencil. All right, and that's pretty much all the steps. You did it. Nice work. Once you have folded them in, give it a nice little massage, and there you go, you got a pencil. I know it's a little hard to see right now, but you'll see once we start coloring it in. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention before. If you do have tape or glue or something and you want to tape the back, so those little pieces aren't sticking out and bothering you, you can do that. I do that sometimes to help keep everything down. So now I'm going to start coloring in all those pieces to make my pencil. So I'm making a red color pencil here, but you could do any kind of pencil you want. You could make it like a regular school pencil, a color pencil, a rainbow pencil, whatever you want to make your pencil into. And you want to even give it a cute little face, why not? It's your pencil, you can do whatever you want with it. Wow, nice job, look at those pencils. They are all on point. See what I did there? Okay, anyways, I hope you had a super fun time making these pencils. I sure did. So keep on creating awesome things, and we'll see you next time.